Alright, I'm gonna make a chess video, you guys. Welcome back. And if you guys hear my brothers in the background, that's fine. I'm not making this professional.
Hey guys.
Nobody's watching my videos anyways. Go fuck yourselves.
There you go.
Alright, we're gonna play a new opponent.
Tell him.
Lee chess restarts in 7 minutes. Alright, I'm gonna play d4. Usually I play e4, but whatever. This bitch ain't moving. Oh, he's too high rated. He's gonna give up on us.
I gave you a
You know what? Okay, I was about to abort his ass. He was like, I'm not scared of this fucking pussy.
It's a really good one too. Go ahead and get it. Wait,
Oh, we're gonna get a Benoni?
That's late.
Some ugly ass Benoni.
No,
Play bishop
because
g5,
I was
'cause
really
why
right
not?
at this one point, so I thought.
I need to start moving quicker. I'm gonna play b5 because this knight is hanging. How did I know? I'm just gonna play rook c1.
On your phone, that's okay. No, okay.
Alright,
I got
let
real
me
guys on me, 3 of them.
move
Wait,
here.
the next match. Hey, how you guys doing? Yeah, peace.
That's cool.
I'm gonna take here. And then I'm gonna take this knight. Wait, I'm down a piece. I have to take this knight. And then, no, he stays up a pawn. That sucks. Okay, yeah, so this is shit. Okay,
I can resurrect you. It's just gonna take hella long. So
Okay.
Can we
Castle.
just play gunfight? Because I just have to die for so damn long.
You could start. You could have started with, hey Aaron, we could play.
knight of 5
DMG, but I
takes,
just wanna play
takes.
gunfight. And I'd be like, okay.
Let's just play gunfight.
Do you want me to resurrect you, or can I just exfil?
Play queen c2. If he takes the pawn, I take the bishop. And then I can take back and I'll be down the exchange for whatever. I'm also threatening h7, but that doesn't do much. Yeah, I knew it. Oh wow. Really queen f5 though, right? I'm fine, right? Should be fine. Go here. Why do I sound like somebody from the south? Let me go here. Alright, let me go there. That's fine. I keep on saying Sonic Fox's, like, you know how he says, bitch is just jumping like it's okay or something, you know that?
Hold up, I made one.
But then, he gets kicked, he, like, gets, like, half of a combo on him, but he wants to let the other guy know that it's not getting to him, so he just goes, that's fine. This 2200 is thinking so long. That's what I've noticed about stronger players. They're easier to beat because they're not maniacs. Then they take a really long time to think, and then you can get them.
You think you get him by time?
Yes.
You're a jerk, 'cause that's the one way you lose.
Yeah.
Bitches be texting me like it's okay or something.
I love that shit.
Someone texted me in the comments and said, when you said I can't, they said that got me dying.
Really?
I said,
You stole my line, you
Whatever,
bastard!
it's Sonic Fox's line.
Oh, what? You're stealing my good stuff.
Texting me like it's okay or something. I can't.
So he's calculated all this shit.
Speak English, Mini Melons.
Mini Rel?
Yeah, it's a stupid blonde girl who's like UPMO. I'm like, what the I'm not gonna sit here and even go and take 5 seconds of my time to Google what this stupid acronym means. Speak English, Mini Melons. The smallest melon.
Wait, what did she say?
She said UPMO.
Oh.
What's that? What's
Is it
PMO?
YMPM or
No,
is
it's
it UPM?
PMO.
Shut it.
What?
All I did that round was drop shit on the ground.
Okay, this is kind of bad. I'm not gonna lie. Like, I think this is my only move. All rook in games are draws, except when they're not. Alright, chat. I think I'm fucked. Like ass fucked. You guys ever been to State Penitentiary, Louisiana? Yeah, and you know what I'm talking about.
Funny. There's girls that say you need to respect women's rights or be more respectful. And then there's girls that text me and say you are really funny that I trash women. And that's coming from a girl. So the moral of the story
I gotta move chat.
is don't change for other people because even other people don't know what they want. So we're leaving, right? To do gunfight. Okay, can you turn up my sound?
Yeah.
It's gonna flag me. What a piece of shit!
Yeah.
Fuck!
Yo!
It's a drawn rook in game and this guy just flags me.
What the hell does that mean?
He just keeps moving.
Oh. Is it launch with multiplayer or launch with campaign?
Oh, fucking
Which one is
prick.
it?
Oh
Multiplayer.
my god. That fucking pisses me off.